Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today we got a GLA class Mercedes-Benz here, and on this GLA we're going to replace the ABS speed sensor because we've got it's got a cut in it down here. I'll show you when I get there. But to start with, you're going to want to, of course, have jacked up your vehicle, supported it with jack stands, and anything so that the vehicle won't fall, and remove the driver's side tire to make it easy, or not driver's side. You'll want to remove your passenger side tire or the right side tire to be able to get better access back here. And also, if you turn your steering wheel all the way to the left, you can be able to get back here a little bit easier. So this is it's an E10, or you can use a 8 sometimes, but it's an E10. To undo this bolt here, we loosen and pull that out, and it's also got this whole plastic clip. We want to just pop it up, move it out, and just undo these connectors here on this side. These are the things that route that and the brake pad sensor. As long as it's removed to the side, we should be good. And then we're just going to pull this thing out. Sometimes it can be a little hard. You might have to get a screwdriver and kind of pry a little bit. But you want to be as gentle as you can and still get it to come out in one piece, so you don't have to do any other drilling or anything to get this piece out. So then you just want to follow the routing back along your A-arm here and just undo it. See, this is right here. This is what's causing the issue. It's been cut somehow, and that's why we're replacing it. And we'll follow it back here, and there's another one back in here. Pop it out. Can't quite get it completely, so that's all back there. Got a photo from the bottom, but otherwise I'm going to go onto the bottom and undo the connector to be able to pull this completely out. Alright, so we've got the connector undone. It's just your simple push pin connector, or push to lock. You squeeze it and then pull it undone. And that's how you go ahead and remove your ABS sensor. And then we'll go ahead and put a new one back in and to replace it, because as you can see, this little cut there that's cut the line doesn't help it work very well. Okay, so we've got our new ABS sensor to put back on our Mercedes-Benz GLA, and so we're just going to put it back on in the reverse order. You're going to move this bracket out of the way a little bit and push this in the direction there. Then you get it to go in, snap it back on, right, and then so this is an E10, or you could use an 8mm socket with a 12 point. You just gotta be a little bit careful on using those things, so you don't strip your nut there. Just snug, not crazy, because I mean we're just tightening a plastic piece here, and we just want to make sure it's good and snug there. So then we've got that in place. Then you're going to want to route this through all the same clamps that you unhooked to get it out. There's one there, there's one down here. So you work your way around, a couple more clips here. There's a couple clips here and here. There's one back up over here But you can kind of get through there. Alright, so we got that clip. Now I'm going to go down under and make the final connection. And you just connect it, put it back in to where it goes into place. And that would be how you replace your ABS sensor on the passenger side on a Mercedes-Benz GLA. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.